Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the Android 12 Beta 4.1 for our Galaxy J7 2016. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, this is the Android 12 Beta 4.1 for our Galaxy J7 2016, and I have no idea if it works on other 7870 devices, but yeah, this is the Android version 12. Android security update is August 5, 2021, and here we have the Simple Kernel 1, which is inbuilt, and this is the developer PingVN. So yeah, thanks to this guy which has ported this Beta 4.1 for our devices. This video is mostly about the installation of Android 12, which is actually easy but a complicated step, which is the repartition. And I'm not going to show you the repartition steps because I have already explained it in a few videos, so I will just leave that link of the video in this I button or somewhere in the description, so you can check that out first to check how the repartition works, and also prefer to read the description for installation steps so you can easily understand the repartition steps, and also go to the XDL link so you can just go through the original post too. But yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick overlook of the Android 12. First, let's start with the quick settings, and these are the new quick settings, the new UI of the system, and yeah, very big icons, but yeah, Google wanted to change, so that's what is changed. This is a new settings page app, and yeah, this is the dashboard. You might notice some flicker, but this is okay. Our device has 2 GB of RAM and is a 2016 phone which is running the Android 12 Beta 4.1, so it's all okay. Then some options like some UI changes into this inside settings, as you can see, battery and all that stuff, into storage, and this is how it looks. And then what else? Sound and vibration, and we have a few stuff here. Vibration and haptics, you can control all the haptics here, and you also have touch vibration, but I don't know why it's not working right now. So yep, display, and we have this stuff, lock screen, just some normal, and we also have now playing because this is Google Pixel port. Night light is to be turned off, so do not turn it on or you may face some issues, or I don't know if it has issues or not, but I'm not going to turn it on. And then wallpaper style and your regular Google options. You can change your wallpaper on all that stuff, and this is the new Google wallpaper and style menu in the Android 12, so you can experience it right now. And we also have the themed icons, which will make it something like this, so it's better, and it's only limited to launcher, I guess. Not launcher, the home screen, because in here it did not change previously, like I'll show you, or if it takes some time to update. No, it is only limited to the home page, so yeah, you can just choose if you want. This is how the screen looks. Oh sorry, I have to move into settings again. Then just normal settings, security and all that stuff. Do we have face unlock? We do not. And yeah, everything else is just normal, so there are no much rather changes. Like, there are a lot of changes in Android 12 which I'll be mentioning down below in the description, but right now I cannot just go through it because the Beta 5 is already there, and this is just a go through installation video which I was like too excited to show you guys about the Android 12. So yeah, let's directly skip to that right now because there is so much time wasting going on here. So let's move to the installation now. If you want to install this, you need a bigger bigger system partition, and you have to repartition. So yeah, just back up all of your data, then power it off, and you might want to install the Orangefox Recovery, but you have to install the 11.0 version, not the 11.1 version. So yeah, make sure you have that one, and I will mention everything in the description, so do not worry. So guys, I'm using the Orangefox Recovery 11.0. Let me show you the version which is the required one, and do not install the latest 11.1 beta, just install this one, 11.0 stable. Now the first thing you have is to repartition your system. Now I have already repartitioned the system, so let me show you. As you can see, I have the system size, it's 3 GB, so you can make it to 3 or 4. The basic is I guess 4, but I configure it to 3, so you can just flash the repartition script which is down below in the description, and all steps will be explained. I also leave a video down below in the description or into the I button, so you can check the repartition steps clearly. Then after doing all the stuff, you have to wipe this stuff, what I have checked. Now then you just have two zips to install. So first is the port. So let this finish. Now the main port has been installed. Now you have to flash an add-on zip, which is basically a fix of home button. I'm not sure, but it says home button fix and it says only for viewers, but it has been mentioned, so let's do it. And this reboot system, and you will boot into Android 12 beta 4.1 in about like 2 minutes. I don't know, but yeah. So let's skip to the booting, and that's it. I'll just show you the boot animation and we'll just end this video because it might get like too much long for this short type of a like giving out the news videos. So yep, that is it. And yep, here's the Google logo, the boot animation. You might get it a bit afterwards, or sometimes it might get stuck and the boot animation, so you have to just force restart your device and it will all be okay. So that is it for the video. If I hope you guys have liked this video for the JSON 2016, and you guys have been commenting down below for the review of the Havoc OS for JSON 2016. So I'm going to make it soon. I make the review soon. I'll like the next video will be about the Havoc OS. So yep, stay tuned and thank you. And please, if you want, you can just like or dislike whatever you want, and also comment about your issues or something you want to say about this video or the ROM. So yep, that's it. Bye bye. Keep subscribing and goodbye. Bye.